Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
More than one way to catch a fish. Every summer, Ben and his family went on a fishing trip. They rented a cabin at Johnson's fishing resort. Ben's mom and dad loved to fish. His brother Jeremy loved to fish. His sister Angie loved to fish, but not Ben. He didn't like sitting and waiting for a fish to bite his hook. "Mom, can I do something else?" Ben asked when they were all at the dock with their fishing lines in the water. Mother put down her fishing pole. "We'll go back to the cabin and you can get something to play with." He followed Ben down the dock to the shore. As they passed the camp store, they saw Mr. Johnson, the resort owner. "Fish not biting?" he asked. "Ben doesn't like to fish, so we're going to the cabin to get some toys," Mother said. "Would he like to help me at the store?" Mr. Johnson asked. Helping at the store sounded like fun to Ben. "May I, Mom?" Ben asked. "Are you sure, Mr. Johnson?" Mother asked. "You bet," he said. He handed Ben a broom. Mother returned to the dock, and Ben swept out the store. Then he helped pull weeds in the garden. Ben worked hard until his family came to pick him up. At dinner time, Dad said, "Jeremy caught these fish for dinner. Thanks for this wonderful dinner, Jeremy." Next day, Mom said Ben could help Mr. Johnson again while the rest of the family fished. Ben opened boxes and put things on shelves. Then he held a flashlight while Mr. Johnson crawled under the building to fix a pipe. Time passed quickly, and soon Ben heard his mother calling him to dinner. "Angie caught these fish for dinner," Dad said. "Thanks for this wonderful dinner, Angie." Jeremy had caught dinner. Angie had caught dinner. Ben wanted to catch dinner. Maybe he would give fishing a try. The next day, Ben sat with his family all morning at the dock. No one got a nibble. Finally, Mom said, "I give up. The fish aren't biting. Let's go to the cabin and play a game." Disappointed, Ben pulled in his line. He hadn't caught their dinner. As they walked by the store, Mr. Johnson asked, "How was the fishing?" "Weren't biting today," Dad said. "Wait here a minute," Mr. Johnson said. He went inside and came back with a package. "Here are some fish I caught last week and froze. I want you folks to have them. Ben worked hard for me for 2 days. He has earned them." That night, Ben and his family sat down to eat. "Thanks for this wonderful dinner, Ben," Father said. "And thanks for showing us there is more than one way to catch a fish."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.